you could go back and give advice, I know we talked about how you look like you're in your 20s now, but if you could go back and give advice to your younger self,
yeah,
what would you say?
you know, that's a good one. I would say, first of all, work on you. Work on you, meaning everybody, you're going to find that you need therapy from the youth all the way to you're old until you die. Okay. I've actually found something that I turned on in December, and I do it every day for 30 minutes. I listen to Tony Robbins every morning while I work out. And I also take care of my health by my shakes and greens.
There you go.
Every morning I have a ritual. So I created a wellness ritual with physiology, fixing my physiology and fixing my psychology. No matter what, every day I do it. And since December, my whole game has changed dramatically. And I think back, Chris, and I go, damn, if somebody would have told me exactly that.
It's like you're getting in peak state. Staying in peak state, right?
Yeah. And my energy is incredibly high. And so before, I was eating 2 breakfast tacos, which I thought I was in peak state, with coffee every morning, which is good coffee, but there was a difference right there. And I'll tell you, the therapy is needed because we go through a roller coaster of mind changes. And if you have that therapy, you're bouncing into it again and again and again, every day. And so Monday through Sunday is my therapy. And so I fix my soul, my physiology, and my psychology every day, Chris. So if I did it again, that would be the change that I would make. All 3, not one. And I was always picking one to work on. And then I would go to a conference to work on it. And then I would go here. No. You got to do it every day, because this is what I heard from my guy that I'm modeling. Why is it so important to feed your body every day? It's important, right?
Yeah.
Why isn't it important not to feed your mind every day?
No, absolutely. Yeah. Mind, body, soul. It's a 3-legged
So
stool.
I think that's what I would change. And I mean, I enjoy what I've done. I've grinded my way through life, and I say grinded, but I've also, started investing when I was 21 years old. And again, because of knowledge, that was great. But the one thing I didn't do is I think I didn't feed my mind every day, daily, like I do today.
Yeah. Love it.